U.S. Drought Monitor, February 5th, 2026. For all 50 U.S. states and Puerto Rico, the U.S. Drought Monitor showed 37.41% of the area in moderate drought or worse, compared with 36.08% last week. About 137.5 million people live in areas now in drought, compared with 135.4 million the week before. There was a strong east to west gradient in temperature departures this week. Temps were below normal in the east, especially in the Midwest and Northeast, and above normal in the west. Precipitation was scarce across large portions of the nation, with many areas receiving less than 25% of their normal amounts. Areas of localized precipitation fell across the Pacific Northwest, Northern Rockies, and the Great Lakes region. Out east, a winter storm brought snow and mixed precipitation to parts of the Tennessee Valley and the Carolinas, with locally heavy snowfall in some locations. Across the west, snowpack remains well below the seasonal average despite snowfall in some areas this week. Along the west coast, precipitation remained limited and uneven. Low snowpack levels, combined with dry soils and low stream flows, caused conditions to worsen across the Intermountain West. Parts of Oregon, Washington, and Northwest California saw dryness and drought expand. Elsewhere, scattered degradations occurred across the south and southeast. Another dry week added to growing precipitation deficits, except for localized areas of improvement that continued to benefit from last week's heavy snowfall. Other isolated areas of improvement were seen in southern New Mexico, the Midwest, and Northeast. The U.S. Drought Monitor is produced each Thursday through a partnership between the National Drought Mitigation Center at the University of Nebraska-Lincoln, the USDA, NOAA, and NASA. Visit droughtmonitor.unl.edu for more. NDMC helps people everywhere reduce vulnerability to drought. Learn more about our work at drought.unl.edu.